just stole you so you run out of time. Don't worry. Once you like me, you'll never want to switch back. Dude, open the door! It's too late! He's my friend now! Rigby, I figured it out! It's tomato paste! The cure is tomato paste! Don't worry, it's almost over. And then you and I will split the skunking duties at this park for the rest of eternity! You think you can stop me from splitting my pain with your friend? You can't stop it. You can't stop nothing.
You're right. I can't stop it, but Rigby can. Split this.
Ha ha ha! We did it!
Yeah! We did it!
Thank you.
He still counts as a skunk, right?
Totally counts as a skunk.
Bingo!
Bingo!
Yeah! And this is what the inside of a liar looks like. Sometimes honesty is not the best policy.
Hey, Tina, you smell ain't not very ladylike.
Watch a new episode of The Amazing World of Gumballs, Monday at 7:30, 6:30 Central on Cartoon Network.
Because Friday night belongs to the hero. New episodes tomorrow at 6/5 Central on Cartoon Network.
Coming up on Cartoon Network next, a new The Problem Solver. Calling the rescue heroes. Billy Blazes with his rescue axe, Captain Cuffs with his rescue hook, and Officer Jake Justice on his motorcycle. Only the rescue heroes have action-later action. With all the gear they need. Rescue heroes always save the day. Dual World Rescue Heroes fire truck comes to show here. Other figures and vehicles sold separately. Introducing Mind Flex Duel, the amazing game that lets you move a ball with the power of your mind. Battle head-to-head. Overpower your opponent. A wireless headset transmits your level of brain activity to the console. The more you concentrate, the further the ball travels. Or play as a team to conquer a series of obstacles. Make over 100 different combinations. Or test your skills in solo play. Can you conquer Mind Flex Duel? I want to hit this. Mind Flex Duel Day from Radica. Batteries are included.
Rolling to the big transforming rumble ring. Transform the marketplace into Rumble's arena. Crash right through the table. Launch them off the entrance flag. Whoa! Rumble transforming rumble ring with one figure. Clear back to hotel.
Let me tell you a tale about two righteous pros who never fail. In the Adventure Time, my two favorite people DVD.
Growing up, all I could think of was baseball. I wanted to be a Major League umpire, and my dream was coming true. But then I got throat cancer from smoking cigarettes. It almost killed me.
calcium fluoride for up to 30% fewer cavities and stronger teeth.
And Miguel said he needs to look it. Can I go home? I'm taking one.
Defy the laws of gravity. Go from 0 to 600 miles per hour scale speed in under a second. Race your friends and take speed to the next level. Hot Wheels RC Nitro Speeders. Bring the speed. Vehicles being sold separately, batteries not included.
From Lego Star Wars, you can build a Republic frigate, load the crew, and blast off. Part of the new Lego Star Wars collection, each set sold separately.
It's Mix-It time. Go online now to make your own Adventure Time videos in the Mix-It Video Creator. Oh, wait, hello?
Hey, it's Alfred. What's going on?
I don't know.
It's new episodes of The Problem Solvers. Yeah. New episodes.
Let me write that down. Good idea. And a really good idea.
Let's go get some nachos. New episodes.
You can call me Private Cheeseburger.
New episode of The Problem Solvers. Starting right now. Only on Cartoon Network.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've captured the Phantom, but he's no Phantom at all.
Look, everybody. Gosh, it was Jerry. He did it. Or did he? Perhaps it was someone posing as Jerry.
Behold, it was Margot the maid.
But why would Margot do this? She was mind controlled by the secret psychic, Count Tangle the Third.
I swear, I'm Middleton.
We know you are, Count, for you yourself were mind controlled.
But by who?
Why, I'll tell you, it was Phantom Joe.
You'll never take me alive.
You're getting away.
This is why we tied his shoelaces together when he wasn't looking.
A problem solved.
Ever since the late Stone Age, there have been unique individuals.